face. Tell me that you love me.
Hi guys, my name is Gaurav and you are watching my channel Yours Techie, and in today's video I am going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Watch Active that I have bought recently. So here is the packaging. As you can see, here is the watch design, and on the left hand side there is written Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, a Samsung branding on the top, and here is a seal. And on the back of the box you can see that it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS, and here is some information that this watch can only be paired on device which are Android 5 or higher, and we should have about 1.5 GB of RAM. A minimum 1.5 GB of RAM is required. And here are some pricing details and serial number of the watch. I have ordered the black color, so don't waste any time and let's unbox it. Let me cut its seal. I have cut down its seal. Here is another sticker. Let me peel it off. So now it's time to open the box. Here is Galaxy Watch Active. Let it keep for a side and see what else inside there. Here is a watch strap, an extra included strap. Let me put it back to its cover, and here is nothing else in the box. I hope charger is also present. Yes, charger is there, and on the top and side you have some, I guess it's a user manual. Yeah, it's user manual, and it's a warranty card. So let's keep it aside and take a look at its charger, and then we will come to the Galaxy Watch. So let's keep it aside for some time. Here is a Galaxy Watch. And on the back of the watch there are some sensors. On the back it's written Samsung Galaxy Watch, and here are some information. Its serial number and made in Vietnam by Samsung. Okay, let's keep it aside and take a look at its charger. Here is an included dock charger. I guess it's a wireless one, and you have to connect this on your normal charger included with the Galaxy phone. Let's boot the watch up for the first time. Okay, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. The build quality of this watch is amazing, and it's also very lightweight. It's like a normal watches. let's go get started in the Galaxy Wear app of your phone. So I'll be quickly back after setting this watch up. So see you there. Just after setting up my watch, you can see that I have received an update of about 78 MB. For now it's installing. So I think the heart rate sensor and everything has been updated to the latest level. So I'll be back when update is being completed to 100%. So now the watch has been updated to the latest firmware. Now let's set it up. Swipe left to see your widgets. Swipe right to go to watch face. Okay. Swipe right for notifications. Press back key to go back. Press home key to find your apps. Almost there. Home to turn off. That's it. Okay. So it's saying me to all done. Enjoy your watch. Right. So let me wear it up very quickly. So there is plenty of watches available. It's looking dope. You can download it from Galaxy Store, and you can also have it from your inbuilt watch faces like these. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do so, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and please make sure to hit the bell icon while subscribing to my channel. Signing out, yours Techie, and have a nice day.